of Mahatma Gandhi serves as a remembrance to the world that the truth and non-violence are indeed a better way of coexistence.
जिसकी सोच ने कर दिया कमाल, बदल दिया जिसने देश का हाल, जिसने पढ़ाया सत्य अहिंसा का पाठ, वो थे हमारे बापू महान।
We are lovely, lovely, lovely children. We shall be the pride of nation. We are lovely, lovely, lovely children. Swastayan, 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 swastayan. We know small aim is a crime. Undoubtedly we will prove it with time. We know small aim is a crime. Undoubtedly we will prove it with time. Swastayan, 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 swastayan.
I now take the privilege of inviting our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, and respected Coordinator Ma'am to perform the lamp lighting ceremony.
सत्य बुद्धि विनाशाय दीपम ज्योति नमोस्तुते, अर्थात शुभ और कल्याण को चाहने वाली, आरोग्य और धन संपदा देने वाली, शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशक सभी धर्म की प्रार्थना के लिए मंच पर मैं सभी प्रतिभागियों का स्वागत करती हूँ। जो
संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसंतम हृदयारविंदे भवं भवानी सरितं नमामि। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। The rights that Islam has given to women, the right to inherit and own our property, the right to choose a partner, the right to study, the right to keep her last meal after marriage, the right to work and earn money.
ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भय निर्वैर अकाल मूर्ख अजूनी सर्वम गुर प्रसाद जप आदि सच जुगा।
Holy people, your kingdom come and your will be done on earth as heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Om Sharanam Gacchami. Sharanam Gacchami. Sharanam Gacchami. Meaning of this prayer is, I take refuge in the lotus feet of my Guru, Buddha. Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sita Ram Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sita Ram Ishwar Allah Tero Naam Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan Ishwar Allah Tero Naam Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan Rupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sita Ram Mane Abhiman Nari Vaishnav Jan to Tere Kariye Jin Pir Parai Jani Sakal log maan samne vande Vinna na kare Giri Sakal log maan samne vande Vinna na kare Giri Vaach kaach man nishal raakhe Vaach kaach man nishal raakhe Thal thal janani tevi re Vaishnav jan to tere kariye je Peed parai jane re Samdrishti Krishna Tyagi Paristri Jene Mate Samdrishti Krishna Tyagi Paristri Jene Mate Vathkiya Sate na bole Jeh Vathkiya Sate na bole Paridhan lag chali haath Vaishnav jan to tere kahiye je Peer parai jane re Vaishnav jan to tere kahiye je Peed parai jane re Peed parai jane re parai jane re
Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to honor the life and legacy of Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary, known as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of a nation, was a visionary leader whose principle of non-violence
also marks birth anniversary of one of the greatest leaders Bharat has witnessed, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. On the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, we honor a leader whose life was marked by simplicity, humility, and dedicated service to the nation. Born on 2nd October 1904, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji rose from humble beginnings to become the second Prime Minister of India.
From class 10th. Today is 2nd of October. We are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. First of all, I wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi born on 2nd of October 1869. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Puthibai. In 1893, he went to South Africa for practicing law. There, he fought for the native South Africans and Indians against the racial domination. Soon he returned to India and just joined the freedom struggle. He chose the path of non-violence and satyagraha to combat the British oppression. He led many campaigns successfully, like the civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, etc. All these movements shook the British rule and inspired many Indians to participate in it. Now let us talk of Gandhian philosophy on education.
Any of our event or program is incomplete without the wisdom of our beloved Director Ma'am. So I would like to invite Director Ma'am to shower her blessing on us and also share her views with us on Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti as well.
Right? Know more about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Right? So that we can try to become like him. Now Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is Mahatma Gandhi. Right? It's really an honor for all the Indians that the British government has erected his statue in front of the Parliament of Britain. His statue is there in front of the Parliament of Britain. The person who fought against them, Mahatma Gandhi fought against Britishers. But Britishers have erected his statue. 2 meter and 70 centimeter bronze statue is there in front of the Parliament of Britain. They accepted that though we fought with him, but he was a great man. Right? And now see how many such people are there all over the world whose services are acknowledged all over the world. How many are there?
Morning to all. Morning, ma'am. Gandhi, also known as the father of nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was his full name. Other one was Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India. He lived a very humble and very simplistic lifestyle. Let me tell you a story about him. एक प्रधानमंत्री जिनके परिवार ने एक बार उनसे जिद करी कि अब हमें कार खरीद लेनी चाहिए। कार उस समय में भी एक लग्जरी थी। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक कार पसंद भी कर ली जो कि कुछ 12,000 रुपए की थी। उनके खाते में सिर्फ 7,000 रुपए थे। बाकी 5,000 रुपए उन्होंने बैंक से लोन लिया। एक इस तबके के अधिकारी के लिए, एक अधिकारी जो कि एक देश को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हो, उनके लिए 5,000 रुपए कहीं से जुटाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं थी। ऐसे थे लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी।
Today I stand before you with a heartfelt of gratitude as we all have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Their life was dedicated to truth, non-violence and the service of humanity. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Director Ma'am to share her thoughts with us. Sarv Dharma Pratna is a multi-faith prayer that symbolizes unity. Sarva means all, Dharma means reality. It is a concept which means all religions are same or all path leads to the same destination. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. A special gratitude to respected Vice Principal Ma'am and Coordinator Ma'am for her unwavering support and leadership.